Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today we've got an exciting topic for all you SQL enthusiasts out there. If you're gearing up for a SQL interview, you're in the right place. We'll be covering some common SQL interview questions that are often asked in testing interviews, and of course, providing you with the answers you need to nail that interview. Our first question is a classic one. What is the difference between inner join and left join? This is a question that often comes up in SQL interviews, especially when testing your understanding of different types of joins. Let's break it down. An inner join retrieves records that have matching values in both tables, while a left join retrieves all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. Knowing when to use each is crucial. Now, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Explain the purpose of the group by clause. This is a fundamental concept in SQL, and understanding how to use group by is essential for anyone working with databases. Answer is, the group by clause is used to arrange identical data into groups. Typically, it's paired with aggregate functions like count, sum, avg, etc. It's vital for summarizing data and gaining insights. Make sure you're comfortable with group by for your interview. Moving on to question 3. What is normalization? This is a question that tests your knowledge of database design principles, and it's quite common in testing interviews. Answer is, normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It involves breaking down large tables into smaller, related tables, reducing data duplication. This ensures consistency and efficiency in your database structure. Our next question is a bit more advanced. Explain the concept of indexing in SQL. Indexing plays a crucial role in optimizing query performance. Answer is, in simple terms, indexing is like creating a table of contents for your database. It allows the database engine to find and retrieve specific rows much faster, especially in large tables. Knowing when and how to use indexes can significantly boost query performance. And question 5. What is the difference between union and union all? This is another question that frequently appears in SQL interviews, testing your understanding of combining results from multiple queries. Answer is, union and union all both combine the result sets of two or more select statements, but the key difference is that union removes duplicate rows, while union all retains all rows, even if they are duplicates. Be mindful of when to use each based on your specific requirements. Now, let's tackle a question about subqueries. What is a subquery, and how is it different from a join? Understanding subqueries is essential for more complex SQL queries. Answer is, a subquery is a query nested within another query. It's used to return data that will be used in the main query as a condition. The main difference from a join is that a subquery can be executed independently, whereas a join combines columns from two or more tables. Mastering subqueries adds a powerful tool to your SQL arsenal. Next up, explain the difference between a primary key and a unique key. This question often comes up in interviews to evaluate your understanding of database constraints. Answer is, both primary and unique keys ensure data integrity, but there's a key difference. A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table and cannot contain null values. On the other hand, a unique key also enforces uniqueness but allows for one null value. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effective database design. Let's delve into the realm of performance tuning. How can you optimize a SQL query? This question assesses your ability to improve query efficiency, a vital skill for any SQL developer or tester. Answer is, optimizing a SQL query involves various techniques like creating indexes, avoiding select asterisk queries, using appropriate data types, and rewriting inefficient queries. Understanding the execution plan and knowing when to denormalize data are also crucial aspects of query optimization. It's a broad topic, so be prepared to discuss specific strategies in your interview. Moving on to a question about transactions. What is a SQL transaction, and why is it important? Understanding transactions is fundamental, especially for roles involving data consistency and reliability. Answer is, a SQL transaction is a sequence of one or more SQL statements executed as a single unit. It ensures that all the statements within the transaction are either fully completed or fully rolled back if an error occurs. This guarantees data consistency and integrity, even in the event of failures. Recognizing when and how to use transactions is essential for maintaining a reliable database. Last but not least, what is the difference between a stored procedure and a function? This question tests your understanding of the different types of database objects and their purposes. Answer is, both stored procedures and functions are database objects containing a set of SQL statements, but there's a key difference. A stored procedure can return 0 or more values, whereas a function must return a single value. Additionally, functions can be used in select statements, while stored procedures cannot. Knowing when to use each is crucial for effective database programming. And there you have it, folks. 10 SQL interview questions commonly asked in testing interviews, along with the answers to help you prepare. Remember, practice is key, so fire up your favorite SQL editor and start working through these concepts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us.